Hello everyone. We are going to explore the CS Cart Buy Now button. This add-on places a Buy Now button on the product page. It's fully customizable and it's admin-friendly, or it's customer-friendly. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore our number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now let's move back to our video. So this is the admin panel. Go to the add-on section, then click on add-ons. Then again click on downloaded add-ons and click on the recently installed button. Here is the list of installed add-ons. I have already installed the Buy Now button add-on, so click on the Buy Now button link. Then click on the Settings button. Here is a list of configurations for the Buy Now button add-on. You can enter the button text, choose the button font color, and choose the button background color. In the Customer Login option, if you select Yes, the button is only visible for logged-in customers. If you select No, the Buy Now button is visible to all customers. You can check the checkbox to replace the Cart button with the Buy Now button. If you uncheck it, the Buy Now button will not replace the Cart button. I am leaving this checkbox unchecked to see if it is visible on other pages. If you check it, the Buy Now button will be visible on other pages. If you uncheck it, the Buy Now button will not be visible on other pages. In the Visible for Bundle Products section, if you uncheck the box, the Buy Now button will not be visible for bundle products. If you check it, the Buy Now button will be visible for bundle products. Finally, click on the Save button to save all the configurations and settings. Then click on General, then click on the Buy Now Marketing button, followed by the gear icon. Next, click on the Edit button. Then click on the Add Storefront button and choose the CS Cart Storefront. Check the box to select the CS Cart Storefront. Then click on Add Storefront and the Close button. The item was added successfully, and I have added the storefront. Click on the Save button to save the settings. Next, go to Products and click on Products again. Here is a list of products. You can select a product and add the Buy Now button to it individually. I am selecting this product, clicking on it, and then clicking on Add-ons. In the Buy Now section, you can enable or disable the Buy Now button for this product. I am enabling the Buy Now button for this product and then clicking on the Save button to save the settings. Go to the Categories section. This is the list of all the categories. You can select any one category. I am selecting the Electronics category, then clicking on Add-ons to enable or disable the Buy Now button. If you enable it, the Buy Now button will be visible only for the Electronics category. If you disable it, the Buy Now button will not be visible for the Electronics category. If you select the subcategory Buy Now button option, you can enable or disable it by clicking on the Enable button. I have disabled the subcategory Buy Now button and then allow changes to subcategories. You can check or uncheck this option. If you check it, the Buy Now button will be allowed for subcategories. If you uncheck it, it will not be allowed for subcategories. Finally, click on the Save button to save all the configurations and settings. Then click on Users, then again click on Customers, and then click on the gear icon to log in as a user. This is the storefront view for the customer. Choose any product and click on it. Select any product and click on Quick View. Here is the Buy Now button. You can see the Buy Now button and click on this product. This will take you to the product page where you can again see the Buy Now button. So these are all the configurations and settings of the Buy Now button add-on. So this is the functionality of this module. I hope you liked it. If you have any queries, contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for the latest update.